The Restigouche River Lodge in northern New Brunswick personifies that salmon camp life in every way. But it is definitely not your garden variety salmon camp or salmon river.
On the Restigouche, the season opens on April 15th. We start fishing at our lodge at May 15th. That's generally when we start seeing the big brights moving through.
I am the happiest guy on the planet right now. We're on our first morning on the Restigouche. We're hoping for one of those fish we don't have to lie about.
So when we drop down, that's why we always say start short, because they're right behind. They could be right behind the boat.
We're like fish ninjas.
Ninjas.
There's a fish, there's a fish.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Right in the wake of the canoe.
Did you roll it?
Oh yeah.
Oh. I pricked him.
I got three things going for me here this morning. Well, all week really, but I've got a long two-handed rod, a great guide, and the boat.